Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I got this sleek back ponytail using clip-ins. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, make sure that you stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, first thing first, we are going to part a side part because this ponytail is going to consist of a side swoop or a bang, whatever you want to call it, and then we're going to part a part going down along the back. Basically, we're just parting out our section for our swoop or bang. I did use a little wild growth because my scalp gets really dry. As you guys can see, my scalp is a little white, but yeah, we use a little wild growth for that. So right now, you guys, I am putting my clip-ins in, and I started putting it in along my ear because I didn't want to put it in too low because I am going to hike up my ponytail a little bit. So it's going to be like a mid-section ponytail, and you don't want to put your clip-ins too low because this ponytail needs to be slick, and it needs to be slick enough to where it's no lumps in it. But anyway, you guys, I am continue to put the clip-ins in, and stay tuned. Okay guys, so now that we have all the clip-ins in, we just gonna try to slick this hair completely down with no lumps. And I'm using the Got To Be freeze spray to try to help me slick this ponytail down. It's best to use the freeze spray because if you are natural like I am, you don't want to use any type of gel to slick it down, because me personally, I use gel, it's just going to curl my hair back up. So definitely use some Got To Be freeze spray or some holding spray or whatever you have to use to slick it down, but don't use any gel if you are natural. Okay guys, so right now we're about to work on creating my swoop, and to create that my hair needs to be bone straight, you guys. So right now I'm just flat ironing that section again because it needs to be bone straight. Okay guys, so now that I'm done flat ironing it, I am just going to again create my swoop, and I like to do this section separate because it will help with not, creating any lumps, and also getting that swoop, right. You can't just do it all at once and it'll be all screwed up. But anyway guys, I am using the Got To Be freeze spray again, because again, you don't want to use gel for this, especially if you're natural, because it will curl up. You need this ponytail to be slick and with no type of lumps or bumps or anything else. So yeah, so right now I'm just using the Got To Be freeze spray to keep this swoop in place. Okay Okay guys, so now that we're done with the swoop, we're gonna, create our, our little baby hairs using the got to be gel. Now this is the only section I am going to use gel on. And yeah, and I'm gonna create my, my baby hairs. Also guys, please excuse all the makeup that is on my sweater. Of course, I decided to wear a white sweater in my video and all my makeup got on my sweater. Gosh, but excuse the makeup guys. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take most of my hair and try to wrap it around the ponytail to make it blend a little better. And with hair that I did not wrap around the ponytail, I'm just going to flat iron that hair to make it blend in with the clip-ins a little better. But to wrap my hair around the ponytail, again, I'm just using the got to be freeze spray, and I'm going to blow dry it to keep it to stay that way. And again, I'm just going to flat iron the rest of the hair. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And also guys, please thumb up this video if you liked it. And also leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this look. I'll see you guys in my next video.